Hey guys, Todd here. In the AI salon this morning, producer Brandon asked, what's something AI helped you do faster this week? So I wanted to share something that I did this morning. I have 15 months worth of building permits that the building department puts in this folder here. And when I have to do a refund, I have to go and find a permit number to make sure that it exists and that the person actually paid us if I'm going to refund them. And so here I am saying, which of these files contains permit number 6113? Normally, in the past, what I'd have to do before AI is just sit there and open each one of those and do a control F, which is find, do a find for 6113. And if it wasn't in the first file, then I'd close it. I'd open the next file, do the same thing and repeat. And that could take me 25 minutes. And here I am asking Manus to do it, and boom, in 25 seconds, it gives me the answer. It says it's in the November spreadsheet. I don't like to just take AI's word for it in case it's hallucinating, so I'm going to go ahead and check that November 2025 spreadsheet. And let's take a look. Am I going to find permit number 6113 in there? And sure enough, there it is. That sure saved me a lot of time today. Bye.